57 airbox. There you go. This was a barn find. They did not realize what they had when they first found it. And I'm going to put a link to the original video of this girl. This ran Pikes Peak in '64. Sold to a pilot in '66. Raced at Macau Grand Prix in Hong Kong, '67 through '68. Shipped back to the U.S. in '69. Sat in the barn for 48 years. Wow. Looks pretty good for a barn find.
You doing all right?
Yeah.
I remember you up here now that you started talking, you interviewed me.
Yep.
6 years ago. It was yellow.
Yes. And rough.
Right.
Yeah.
Looks a little different now, doesn't it?
That's it. That's it. So you got rid of the chickens. That's good. I appreciate that. Yeah. A little bit of work to it.
Yeah, there's a man done all the body work right there on it.
Wow. My hat's off to you. Anyone who can do black is amazing. Anyone who could do black in glass,
Yeah.
by far the best. Wow. Absolutely.
Yeah,
Looks pretty good.
There's all the documentation we got on the car now.
I know it. The whole story was so funny. You did not know what you had when you got it.
No.
That's what was amazing. So
There's the man that raced his car.
Yeah, he raced the car.
you actually raced the car,
Yeah,
huh?
I raced it.
So why did you let it go sit in a barn?
Well, I did. I was in the Air Force at the time when I owned it.
Yeah.
And then I got transferred to Vietnam, so I had to sell it. And I sold it to a gentleman who then he took back, and he's the one who put it in the barn. And I bought it from the original owner, but he bought it brand new.
Yeah. Yeah. But he drove it. He drove it.
Oh yeah, he drove it to Pikes Peak Hill Climb, and I guess around Long Beach. He raced around Long Beach.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. Oh, what memories. Jeez. Wow. Yeah.
I lost track of it.
Yeah.
So they called, they located it.
Ah, very good. You must have been shocked.
I was. I
Yeah.
had no idea.
Yeah. Yeah. How's it feel to sit behind the wheel again?
Well, he
Oh,
won't
do they let you sit behind the wheel?
Yeah, I can sit behind the wheel, but
Okay.
he won't let me drive it.
Oh, gee. Well, I know. He lost his license, you know. What can I say?
That's really awful, isn't it? Not
Yeah.
let me drive my own car.
Oh, I know.
Terrible.
And you'd even chip in for the gas.
Yeah, that's right. I would. I'd fill up the gas tank.
Yeah, well, let's not go that far at filling up. Yeah, a couple gallons here and there is cool.
Yeah.
Drive it through the drive-in. You'll treat
Well, if
treat
I can
them.
find some cheap gas, that'd be all right.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, you look around for the cheapest station.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that is great. That is great. So you drove it in Hong Kong,
Well, in Macau.
Macau. Excuse me.
I drove.
Macau.
I raced it in 2 Macau Grand Prix, 57 or 67 and 68.
What was it like to be a privateer racing in the Grand Prix?
Scared to death. I'd never raced before.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, in a foreign country. Now, in Macau, do they race on the right or the left?
No, well, to the center or all over the road.
Yeah.
It's in Macau. Macau at that time was a Portuguese possession.
Oh, I didn't realize
And
Portuguese.
It was
Okay.
a Portuguese possession on the communist Chinese mainland.
Yeah,
Now it's been reverted back, so the Chinese have it now.
Yeah.
But it was raced through the city streets. It was like about a 3.5 mile course all through the city streets.
wow,
Kind of
wow.
like Monaco and things like
Yeah.
that.
Hey, how did you place in the Grand Prix?
I didn't. I had to spin out one time and had some mechanical problems. I got started and never actually finished one. I got started in both of them, but never.
Well, you know, you could borrow the car and run it again
Yeah.
and finish. Hint, hint.
Yeah.
Oh, what a story you got.
I had never raced before, so
Yeah.
you know, you asked me what it was like.
Yeah.
It was pretty scary, never having raced before, and to get into that.
Jeez, unreal.
Yeah.
Unreal. And Grand Prix at that.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Back in those days, it was a kind of a free-for-all.
Yeah.
You know, you could run almost any kind of car. We were competed against Lotuses, Jaguars, McLarens, almost anything they could legally get in the race.
Jeez.
Even Mini Cooper S's were racing.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, they were hot cars.
They really were.
Yeah.
They were very hot cars. Oh, we could beat them every way, but we got our corner, they could pass us any time, any way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They were hot little cars.
And they did. And in fact, at the end of the race, when you opened your glove box, one scooted out from the glove box.
I wouldn't doubt it.
I'm glad you came out for this.
I am too. I'm very glad.
And you won't let him race his own car. Okay.
Yeah, that's terrible.
Maybe you have to put
That's
some
terrible.
brakes
That
on
is-
that.
Dad's fault. He won't let him race.
Oh, okay. Very good. Very good. So what was the most difficult part of restoring the car?
Most different, probably the body work on it.
Yeah.
Had to do a lot of body work on it.
Yeah.
It been wrecked and all banged up and had to replace about half the body parts on it.
Jeez. Now, were there special panels because it was an airbox?
It's not because it was so bad. Like what we got lucky, and like his quarter panel was
Yeah.
messed up on it.
Yeah.
And we found a whole complete quarter panel with the original paint on it. So we was able to
Really?
replace the whole thing. Had all the lip inside the trunk, the door, everything. So we got really lucky with the
Wow.
parts. We got good parts put back on.
That's great. I know it's very, very difficult to weld fiberglass.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that's the glass man right there. He's great with fiberglass.
I can see that. I am really admiring your work. That is
It's a
fantastic.
lot of hard work, but I enjoy doing it.
Good, good. The results are fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
So, I gotta do a walkabout now.
All right.
Go check this out. Thanks for coming back. This is wonderful.
We're glad to be back.
And thanks for bringing your chauffeur.
Yeah.
Ex-chauffeur.
Yeah. You'll get your job back eventually. Is that your helmet?
I'm too old for that, huh? Yeah, that's my helmet.
Very good. Very good.
There it is.
By Jove, you can do it. Oh my gosh. Look at you. Do you feel 20 again?
Can't hear you.
Hey? Yeah. Oh, that's great, Roger. That is great. Fantastic.
Well, now we both know.
That's it. That's it. Definite proof. Oh, wonderful. Thank you. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2025 Corvettes at Carlisle. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars, NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and promote your events. I'll see you at the shows, and remember, support local and post local.